Hey guys, Richard here, eBike Reviews and Adventures. Are you thinking about purchasing a Meetone Trike? You've probably heard some good things about it online. Maybe you got a friend that owns one and you're thinking, yeah, I got to get me a Meetone, but which one do I purchase? Well, in this video, we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about each one just a little bit, and I'm going to share some differences and some things for you to consider before you go out there and make your purchase. And hey, guys, if you do make a purchase, please, please, please use the affiliate link down below. It's not going to cost you anything extra, okay? It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it helps us out a lot because Meetone does send us these so we can do testing and reviews. And when you use our link and purchase it, they know that our reviews and our videos help someone out there, and then they'll continue to send them to us so we can make great content for you like this. All right, we're going to get into the video. Let's start over here with the Meetone pair. Now this one is a little unique because it is set up and designed for a passenger. So you've got the passenger seat back here, you've got the standard seat up here. It's a little lighter frame compared to the other two. It's just a great all-around trike, passenger carrying trike. One of the favorite things I like about it, for the fact that it is a passenger trike, is that you've got plenty of space here to pass through, making it a lot easier to get on and off, okay? So the seat is adjustable. You can adjust this forward and backwards a little bit to give yourself just a little bit more room. But if you can imagine trying to slip in here, you can put your foot right across. And that's not always the case with some other trikes and even the Tour, which we'll talk about in just a moment. This trike is set up with one motor in the rear, 750 watt. It comes standard with one battery, 20 amp hour, plenty of power, plenty of juice to get two people down the road and get you moving on around so you can get out and enjoy your day. This one is equipped right back here underneath the passenger seat. You can add a second battery if that's a concern for you. So you can purchase a second battery, get it set up back there, and get it wired in. It is that capable for that. We're not going to do all the specs on all of these trikes because a lot of them are the same, but I will point out a couple things. They all have twist throttles. They're all has 3 pass levels. They all have the same kind of display, the same or very similar style suspension forks. And yeah, let's see, that's probably about it. Let's jump over to the Tour and talk about that for a moment though, because you may have heard that the Tour 2.0 is passenger capable. Now we don't have the passenger kit yet, so it's not back here, but what it is it's another frame attachment that you bolt onto the main frame here, and it sticks out just a little bit further, and then allows you to put another seat just like this one here, and you can mount it right here. The Tour 2.0 is a very, very capable trike because it comes in both single and 2 motor options. So this version here has the 2 motors. You got a 750 up here in the rear and another one up here in the front, and it's got a huge battery. With the new 2.0 version, they went with a 50 amp hour battery, which is mounted right underneath the frame back here. Huge battery. That's your only battery option as far as I'm aware, but just massive amounts of juice. Now, there's something I want to point out if you're thinking about this, because you're thinking you've got the extra power of 2 motors and you got the huge battery, and let's get it for me and my partner so we can get on down the road. Just be aware, you don't have that same pass-through back here behind this seat where the passenger seat is going to be, like you do on the pair over here where you have this pass-through. So it's going to require you to kind of climb up in here a little bit in order to get seated or into the seated position. You're going to have to step on the frame up here. You got to step past the tires because the tires are a little bit bigger. The tires over here on the pair are just a little bit smaller. And as you can see, it just gives you plenty of pass-through room. So just be aware of that. If you're someone who isn't able to get moved around too well, and you're a little unstable, you might find it a little difficult climbing up around this tire in order to get into that position. Just be aware of that. Now let's go ahead and talk about the Breeze Pro 2.0. Now a lot of people, they're trying to make a decision between the Breeze Pro and the Tour, because maybe you don't want a passenger capability trike and you just want a nice running trike to get on down the road. So let's talk about this one just a little bit. It's a single motor in the rear. You don't have an option for a front motor. It comes standard as a single battery, 20 amp hour, but you can place a second battery down underneath there if you want to beef that up a little bit, give yourself some more juice. This one does come with this style backrest. I just don't have it installed because I chose to keep it a little bit different this time. This one also comes with a basket on the front, like the pair over here, only the basket does not have the lid like the pair does. But I chose not to put that basket on simply because we don't use it very often. Now, the Breeze 2.0 is capable of switching to the premium seat, which is like the one over here on the pair. So if you take this seat off right here, it does mount directly to the frame right back here, and it allows you to have a more recumbent style ride. Because when you have that premium seat mounted here, you sit just a little bit lower and you sit just a little bit further back. And when you do that, you're a little bit further away from the pedals, which makes it more of a recumbent style, whereas the standard seat, it's almost more like a regular riding trike. Okay, another thing you want to be aware of with between the Breeze 2.0 and the Tour 2.0 is the new Breeze 2.0 now has a rear suspension right back here. So you can see the suspension springs, which makes it a more comfortable ride when you're hitting the bumps, going over the potholes. The Tour also comes with rear suspension as well. It's a little heavier duty because this is a much heavier trike. And let's talk about that for a moment because frame styles matter. The Breeze 2.0 is quite a bit smaller than the Tour 2.0. The overall frame material that they used is smaller, it's lighter weight compared to the Tour 2.0. So the Tour over here is about 180 pounds, whereas this one is probably about 140 pounds or so. So there is some significant differences there. Also, some differences between the two are the style of basket. The Breeze comes with this basket here, which sits a little bit lower. There's no insert, no top. And the Tour comes with a much taller basket, much deeper, and it does have this insert that has a lid on it to kind of keep things clean and dry and safe. Now, having said that, this being a little smaller, a little lightweight, one motor instead of two like the Tour over here, smaller battery, let me tell you guys, this thing is very capable. And in some instances, this might be the better option rather than the Tour. If you're short on space, this one's a little bit smaller, but it's still very capable. We had this off-road recently, going through some rough terrain and up a hill and kind of through the ditch. And it was surprisingly, it performed super well because it's very powerful. And you might find that that's something more that you're looking for rather than something that is just so big and bulky as this. You may not want to do that. Even though you got two motors, it's very capable of taking on large hills. It's just a big bulky bike compared to the Breeze 2.0. Nonetheless, very capable trike right here, very capable. We love it a lot. I spend a lot of time on this trike. So kind of recap a little bit. You've got passenger carrying, you've got passenger carrying capability, no passenger capability that I'm aware of. You've got two motors here, or you can get it with one motor. You got one motor over there, one motor over here. You got 20 amp hour, 50 amp hour, 20 amp hour batteries. But these two guys over here, you have the capability to get an additional battery to boost that up. Guys, let me tell you what, doesn't matter which one you end up getting, you're going to be satisfied because Meetone has just an outstanding product, good quality, and you just can't go wrong. So let me know down below in the comments which one you are leaning towards. Do you want something strictly designed for two passengers? Do you want something that is two passenger capable like the Tour, or maybe something just a little bit smaller yet very powerful and flexible and does great on the rough terrain like the Breeze 2.0? Guys, that's going to be it for this video. Give me a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new here because we got more videos coming out for you, and that's going to be it. Ride responsibly, ride safe.